Imagine diving miles beneath the ocean's surface into a world of crushing pressure and absolute darkness. You'd expect to find nothing, a cold, dead wasteland. But what if I told you that down there, life isn't just surviving, it's thriving in one of the most extreme environments on our planet? Wow. It's a place where towering, chimney-like structures spew superheated, mineral-rich water, creating vibrant oases of life. Welcome to the world of hydrothermal vents, the deep ocean's best-kept secret. For a long time, we believed all life on Earth depended on sunlight through photosynthesis. But the discovery of these vents in 1977 completely rewrote the rules. Here in the abyssal zone, sunlight is a distant memory. So, how is this possible? The secret lies in a process called chemosynthesis. Instead of sunlight, the life forms here harness chemical energy from the compounds gushing out of the vents, primarily hydrogen sulfide. It's like an alien metabolism, a completely different recipe for life, hidden in our own backyard. The stars of this deep-sea show are the extremophiles, organisms that love extreme conditions. You'll find giant tube worms, some reaching over 6 feet tall, with bright red plumes that act like gills, absorbing chemicals from the vent fluid. They have no mouth, no gut, no digestive system. Instead, they host symbiotic bacteria inside their bodies. These bacteria do the heavy lifting, converting the toxic chemicals into organic matter, which in turn feeds the worms. It's a perfect partnership, a biological marvel forged in the deep. Then there are the vent crabs and shrimp, swarming over the vent structures. These creatures are often blind, having evolved in total darkness, relying instead on other senses to navigate and find food. They graze on the mats of bacteria that cover the vent chimneys, a constant buffet in this otherwise barren landscape. The Pompeii worm is another incredible resident, considered one of the most heat-tolerant animals on Earth. It lives on the sides of the black smoker chimneys, with its head in cooler water and its tail end enduring temperatures that would scald most other life forms. It's covered in a fleece-like coat of bacteria. Scientists believe acts as a form of insulation, protecting it from the intense heat. Let me ask you something. If life can thrive in such an extreme, seemingly inhospitable place on Earth, what do you think that suggests about the possibility of life on other planets or moons in our solar system? Places like Jupiter's moon Europa, which is believed to have a subsurface ocean with potential hydrothermal vents. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to read what you think. So, where does all this heat and chemical energy come from? It all starts deep within the Earth's crust, along mid-ocean ridges, where tectonic plates are pulling apart. Seawater seeps down through cracks in the seafloor. As it gets closer to the magma chambers beneath the crust, it gets superheated, sometimes to over 400 degrees Celsius, or 750 degrees Fahrenheit. This hot, acidic water becomes rich in dissolved minerals and metals from the surrounding rock, like sulfur, iron, zinc, and copper. Because it's so hot and buoyant, this fluid then shoots back up to the seafloor with tremendous force. When this superheated, mineral-rich water meets the near-freezing, oxygen-rich deep ocean water, a dramatic chemical reaction occurs. The dissolved minerals precipitate out of the solution, forming tiny solid particles. This creates the appearance of thick, dark smoke, which is why the hottest and most vigorous vents are called black smokers. Over time, these mineral deposits build up, layer by layer, around the vent opening. This is how the towering chimney structures, some reaching heights of over 180 feet, are formed. They are geological wonders, constantly growing and changing, like living sculptures built by the Earth itself. These chimneys are not just rock. They are complex, porous structures that provide a physical home, a substrate for the entire vent ecosystem. The different temperature gradients along the sides of the chimney create microhabitats, allowing different species of extremophiles to find their perfect niche. The discovery of hydrothermal vents didn't just change our understanding of biology. It also offered new insights into geology and even the origin of life itself. Some scientists hypothesize that these deep-sea vents could be the very place where life on Earth began. They provide a stable, energy-rich environment, protected from the harsh conditions of the early Earth's surface, like intense ultraviolet radiation. The chemical-rich water gushing from the vents could have provided the essential building blocks for the first organic molecules, the precursors to life. It's a compelling theory that turns the deep ocean from a barren abyss into the potential cradle of all life. Studying these ecosystems is incredibly challenging. It requires remotely operated vehicles, or ROVs, which are basically underwater robots tethered to a ship on the surface. These ROVs are our eyes, hands, and scientific instruments in the deep. They can withstand the immense pressure, collect water and rock samples, and capture high-definition video of these otherworldly landscapes. Each dive is a journey into the unknown, with the potential for new discoveries, new species, and new answers to some of science's biggest questions. Exploring the deep ocean's mysteries, from the incredible extremophiles to the powerful geological forces that create their home, reminds us just how much we still have to learn about our own planet. These hydrothermal vents are not just isolated curiosities. They are vital parts of the global ocean system, influencing ocean chemistry and supporting unique biodiversity. They are a testament to the sheer resilience and adaptability of life, showing us that even in the most extreme places, life finds a way. It's a powerful reminder that our world is full of wonders, many of which are still waiting to be discovered. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the world of hydrothermal vents. If you found this as fascinating as I do, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more adventures into the unknown. See you in the next video.